nice and straight. Just relax. Beautiful job. Okay, how about a big loud scales and tails on the count of 3? Ready? 1, 2, 3. And if there's anything you want to say in your own language, you can do what you like, guys.
Oh, is that a video?
Yep. We're live action.
She's so scared.
She said, I am so buang. I'm always getting in trouble. Are you okay, Mummy? How's your heart rate? I think Mum's like, I'm not sure about this.
150.
Well, I'm going to go have some lunch, guys. I'll be back in about half an hour. Yeah, right. Beautiful job, my friends. How about that? Here comes Winter to say hello. That's Winter Dog. And she's a white shepherd.
Oh, is she? We used to have a German shepherd.
Wow.
She's coming over to say hi to you. See, she just wanted a pat. She wants some attention too. Good girl. How about that? Best day ever. Well done, young lady. What do you think of Mom and Dad? Look at that, getting them all wrapped up. Hey? Well done, guys. You're not going anywhere. Cuddle's going to keep you guys close today.
Seems like it.
I'll see if I can get a nice close-up for her. Let's get a close-up of your Cuddles. Give me a big smile.
Smile,
How about a tongue flicker? Get the cameraman to stop shaking. He's been chasing tiger snakes in the paddock.